As the flame rises, it symbolizes knowledge, wisdom, and the bright future of our students. Thank you, honored guest. I now hand over the mic to Purva Sulkar.
Every celebration becomes meaningful when we place it in God's hand. To invoke His blessings upon our school, our students will now present a prayer dance under the guidance of teacher Radhika Vani. Let us join our hearts in silent prayer as they lead us into a moment of grace. Please welcome them with a warm round of applause.
Sa 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 Also Goan with us. So doing that complete.
Thank you, children, for that beautiful expression of faith. Music is the best way to bring people together, to warmly greet every guest, and begin our program on a joyful note. We invite our students to present the welcome song, trained by teacher Lindsay Fernandez and teacher Alisha Norona.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हाँ हम जैसे देखें ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले
This wonderful day, we are together. With you, your presence we need you. Give us your blessings sincere. Welcome this day, this wonderful day. We all sing together. With you, your presence we need you. Give us your blessings sincere. Sweet and blooming birds welcome you. With love and smiles we greet you. We will be the shining stars. We'll make your dreams come true. Sweet and blooming birds welcome you. With love and smiles we greet you. We will be the shining stars. We'll make your dreams come true. happy time we feel great. Saint and blooming birds are our day. In anthem our highest praise. Welcome this day, this wonderful day. We all sing together. We greet you with cheer. Your presence we revere. Give us your blessings sincere. Welcome this day, this wonderful day. We all sing together. We greet you with cheer. Your presence we revere. Give us your blessings sincere. This day, this wonderful day. We all sing together. We greet you with cheer. Your presence we revere. Give us your blessings sincere. Give us your blessings sincere. Give us your blessings sincere. Give us your blessings sincere.
Thank you, students, for your melodious singing and a warm welcome. Give them a big round of applause. Now I will invite our teacher Rosa Pereira to deliver the welcome address.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. It is with immense pleasure and pride, joy that I welcome you all to this momentous occasion, the Golden Jubilee celebration of our beloved school, St. Anne's Blooming Birds. On behalf of the entire school community, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Reverend Sister Jacinta Saldana, Provincial Superior of the Western Province. Our esteemed alumni, Dr. Chinmay Vaze, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, dedicated faculty, PTA members, supportive parents, benefactors, well-wishers, and our bright students. 50 years of nurturing young minds, fostering dreams, and shaping future. This is a milestone that fills our hearts with deep emotion and gratitude. Today, we come together to celebrate 50 years of this institution's journey, a journey filled with countless achievements, unwavering dedication, and the pursuit of excellence. Looking back, we see a rich history of growth, resilience, and success. We remember the countless students, teachers, non-teaching staff who have contributed to making our school what it is today. From humble beginnings in 1979 to this glorious milestone, St. Anne Blooming Birds has shaped lives and future. This institution has grown leaps and bounds and now stands tall. This school has grown from strength to strength under the able guidance of 11 headmistresses. This Golden Jubilee is a testament of the hard work and vision of those who laid its foundation, and a recognition of the impact it has on generations. We owe debt of gratitude to the visionary, Reverend Father Philip D'Souza, who was the chaplain of our chapel Kansa, who had started a small school. It was his vision that all the students should study. He found it was very difficult for all the students to go all the way to Thivim. And in the corridors of chapel, he started this school. And as the class extended, he took a small house in Dulatwada, Kansa. And there was the growth. And there he handed over to the sisters of Saint Thivim. We are committed to continue our mission of providing quality education and building a bright tomorrow. Let this Golden Jubilee be a moment to reaffirm a commitment to the values that have guided us for the past 50 years and to carry the spirit of our school forward. Thank you once again for being here to celebrate this incredible milestone with us. Let us make this occasion a memorable one, filled with joy, reflection, and new memories. Have a wonderful time.
Parents, the children who already performed prayer dance and welcome song, please take your children from the front gate. You all are not allowed inside. Please take them from the front gate. Thank you.
Now we have the presentation of the floral bouquet. Flowers are a way to express gratitude and respect. I now call upon Reverend Sister Teresa Ferrand to escort our dignitaries on the dais. I now call upon Reverend Sister Anita D'Souza, our manager, along with Miss Sophia Fernandez, to present a small token of our appreciation to our chief guest, Reverend Sister Jacinta Saldana. Your presence inspires us all, sister. I now request Reverend Sister Teresa Ferrand, along with Miss Purva Asolkar. Next, we have a guest of honor. I request Sister Teresa Ferram along with Purva Asalkar to present the floral bouquet, a gift and a token. Now I call upon our headmistress of St. Anne High School, Reverend Sister Lina Mascarenas, to present the bouquet. I request Sister Teresa Ferram along with Alec Uskaikar.
असं तेच सांग असं
Next, we have a headmistress of St. Anne Blooming Buds. I request our managers, Reverend Sister Anita D'Souza, along with Sophia Fernandez, to present the floral bouquet. I now call upon our PTA chairperson, Mr. Dinesh Patil. I request Sister Teresa Ferram along with Purva Asalkar to present a floral bouquet. We are truly delighted and privileged to have you with us today. Thank you very much. Yes, Sister, you are free. A school's pride is its alumni. Students who have walked out of this gate and made our institution proud. I now call upon Reverend Father Francisco Pereira, Reverend Father Marvin D'Souza, Reverend Father Jonas D'Souza, and Reverend Father German Fernandez to come to the dais. I ask the audience to give a loud thunder of applause to all our Reverend Fathers who are our students of this institution. I now request Teacher Maria Lourdes Fernandez along with Manasvi Gadekar to present the potted flower and a gift. Manasvi Gadekar. Reverend Father Francis. Master Alice Sustaikar, Father Mervyn D'Souza. We have Sophia Fernandez to present a potted plant to Father German Fernandez and a gift as well. Thank you, Father. I request Teacher Lutz to present a flower pot and a gift along with the student. Father Sebi Dias, Parish Priest of Our Lady of Miracles, Sirsaim. Abigail D'Souza will accompany Teacher Lutz. Father Sebi Dias. Next we have Father Francis Xavier, Parish Priest of St. Christopher's Church, Thivim, Dean of Bicholim Dinari.
Bye.
We have Father Jolan Dias, Chaplain of Our Lady of Lourdes Chapel, Kansa. Teacher Lutz along with Miss Flavencia Pereira. Next we have Father Benny DiCosta, Parish Priest of St. Anne Church, Bodie. Father Orlando Marcus, Father George. Today, we honor those who shape generations. Please welcome our respected ex-headmistresses for the felicitation ceremony. I now call upon Sister Priscilla Fernandez on the dais, Sister Maria Arana, Sister Jacinta D'Souza, Sister Elsie D'Souza, Sister Helen Ticuna, and Sister Teresa Ferron. It's wonderful to see our ex-headmistress over here with smiles on their face. They have worked hard for our institution. They have run the race. Now we want to honor them as well as felicitate them. Now I request our manager, Reverend Sister Anita D'Souza, to felicitate our provincial Sister Jacinta Saldana with a shawl, potted plant and a gift. Audience, please applaud. Next we have Sister Priscilla Fernandez. We have Sister Maria Arana. Sister Jacinta D'Souza is not here, but we have Sister Elsie next. Thank you, Sister. We have Sister Helen Ticuna. And we have our headmistress, Reverend Sister Teresa Ferron. next session we have is honoring our teachers and staff. I now call upon Teacher Lord to escort the following teachers, retired teachers of our institution. Teacher Monica D'Souza, Teacher Monica Albuquerque, Teacher Nevis Di Costa, Teacher Mercy De Lima, Teacher Suchitra Shetty, Teacher Aida Dias, and non-teaching staff, Vandana Halanka. Teachers. Okay. Okay. If teachers comfortable done, all right. Teachers, come on. Okay.
चल टीचर
Every strong tree has deep roots. Our teachers and staff were the roots of this school. They worked quietly, lovingly, and gave their time, energy, their heart. Today, we honor them. We take a moment to honor our beloved teachers. I now request Teacher Lords and Teacher Milagri to honor our retired teachers. We also have Teacher Kasilda. Our teachers have given us a good service in the school, very strict and disciplined. The students, they were always there for all of us. They worked hard, and now may God give them the grace to carry on with life. Okay. Now we can forget it. Yes, teachers, your hand was there behind every student, and whoever has excelled has become doctors, engineers, teachers, and other fields wherever around the globe. It was your hand to train them, to guide them, and to lead them. We are grateful for your service to our institution. May the Almighty God bless you and keep you always in good health, and may prosper you always. Thank you, dear teachers. I now request Teacher Lord to present a potted plant and a gift to Teacher Arminda, who was the teacher of Father Francisco Pereira. I now call upon a provincial Reverend Sister Jacinta Saldana, along with the headmistress, our ex-headmistress. Please come on the stage. We are going to celebrate your 50 years, sister. I now request Teacher Milagri to escort all our sisters, ex-headmistresses. I think all the sisters should join us. Please. Yes, sister. It would be great if you could join along with us. All the sisters, please join us. It will be wonderful to have you here on the stage. In June 2022, Sister Jacinta Saldana was appointed as a provincial superior of Western Province. She is a person who walks the talk. Her sincere love for the mission and unwavering commitment towards a big responsibility entrusted to her are truly to be admired. Today, our hearts overflow with immense gratitude as we gather to celebrate a monumental milestone, the Golden Jubilee of our dear Reverend Sister Jacinta Saldana. Thank you, Sister, for your committed life. May you always feel the Lord's presence as you continue to serve in His vineyard. You are a beacon of hope for us all. Requesting the audience to rise and join in to celebrate. I now request Reverend Sister Jacinta Saldana to cut the cake. 50 glorious years. Thank you, sister, for cutting the cake. It is one like 2-in-1 celebration. The Golden Jubilee of our school as well as you as a missionary. Thank you, sister. May the sweetness of this cake spread throughout the congregation.
पैसे ऑपरेट करता था कोई हाँ पैसे ऑपरेट करता था कोई मतलब क्या होता है मुझे जाने के बाद ना तो सगळे बैठ साइड लाइन
Thank you, Teacher Rosa, for your inspiring and heartfelt words of welcome. All the best.
I now request Teacher Milagri to present a potted plant and a gift to Teacher Maria D'Souza from Borie. She was in this school for a few years. I now request our chief guest, Reverend Sister Jacinda Saldana, to speak on this momentous occasion.
थोडी भितर जाऊ जास्त भितर ना केस दिसला पहिलं
Esteemed guest of honor, Dr. Chinmay Wazir, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, members of the school management, dear teachers, also the teachers present and the past, parents who are all there, number, alumni, and dear students, a very good evening to each one of you. As we celebrate the Golden Jubilee of St. Anne's Blooming Bars Pre-Primary and Primary School, here I am, as the theme goes, to weave the golden threads of gratitude, first of all to God Almighty, for His providential care during these past 50 years. We have heard the history, we have heard the great events, the wonderful work, and so much that the school has so his dream a reality today. It's good to dream. And the perseverance of this school from that corridor of that little chapel, the past 50 years shows us very clearly that truly it is God's will, because that vision for the good of our children of this village, for the good intention that the priest had that all children be educated, was truly God's will, because when it is a good work, it lasts, and it will continue to last in the years to come and will bear good fruit, and many children will study here and will become good citizens of our country and will have a bright future. For this grace, for this wonder of our God, I thank Him today, weaving these threads of gold. I also thank to our teachers, past and present. We have honored some of them from heaven may be smiling on us today, who have been part of this history of 50 years. With patience and with passion, they have molded these little hearts and young minds in values above all, to discover their talents and potentialities, their dreams and purpose. And I'm really very happy to have a guest of honor, an ex-student and a great doctor amidst us. Really, him and the fathers and all those ex-students, a big clap for all, because it is a moment of great pride for us, Sisters of St. Anne, as we celebrate this Jubilee, that the fruits of our labor is there. And it is our joy. We have nothing. We leave everything, our families and everything, to serve the humanity. And when we see the fruits, when we see the growth, This is truly to glorify God and we feel happy. It is the fecundity of our mission. I salute with immense gratitude to you, dear parents, who are in great number here. I heard a lot these days. Sister Teresa told me how the teachers and you parents love the school. You have that sense of belongingness and you contribute, you help. What that little or more what we see, the growth during these years is also the work of your hands. You love your children, you love this atmosphere, and you have worked to give to your kids and the school a healthy environment, a safe infrastructure. I thank you in the name of the management and of the Sisters of St. Anne sincerely from the bottom of my heart. I thank the Sister Ubalda, Sister Maria Goretti, and all the headmistresses passed through this school. Sometimes, we feel happy to work in schools where everything is ready and easy. But in little villages where sometimes most of the facilities are not there, it is a great sacrifice. These sisters lived in Thivim in convent there, and they came maybe sometimes a ride, sometimes walking to this place every day and go back every day. It wasn't much of comfort for them, but love, zeal for mission has pushed them. I really honor them. I'm grateful because this makes me see that the spirit of our mission for the little ones and the poor is alive, and it will continue. It is a dream and vision of our founders, Carlo and Julia, that is alive in this place. And I know we will do our best to bring up the school, give the best to our children, especially the quality education, the value education, and also update this school and ourselves and the teachers that the best be given to our children so that they have a great future. So we wish to look forward with hope. As Father said here, hope does not disappoint us. And we wish to serve with commitment and with utmost care. To each one of you, I congratulate and say a big thank you for being part of this remarkable journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, dear sister, for your inspiring words of gratitude and inspiration. I now call upon our guest of honor to say a few words. Dr. Chinmay Basi.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank Sister Teresa for inviting me as a guest of honor over here. I think after I have passed out from here, this is the first time I've really entered inside and seen everything and how everything has changed. And so I'd like to keep my words short and sweet. So first of all, I'm really overwhelmed and happy to come back here and be a part of this golden Jubilee celebration. I thank everyone for inviting me, and I think we'll be happy to see the children in their performance next. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind word. Now I call upon Teacher Lutz to give vote of thanks. As we gather to celebrate the 50 glorious years of St. Anne's Blooming Buds Pre-Primary and Primary School, my heart is filled with deep gratitude. Truly, God has woven golden threads of excellence every step of our journey. First and foremost, I express our heartfelt thanks to our dear sister, our chief guest, Reverend Sister Jacinta Saldana, Provincial Superior of St. Anne's Western Province. Dear sister, thank you for honoring us with your presence on this historic day. Your inspiring words, guidance, and continual support strengthen our mission for nurturing young minds with love and faith. A very special word of gratitude to our guest of honor, Dr. Chinmay Vaze, our proud ex-student doctor. It is truly inspiring to see you return to your alma mater and to grace this Golden Jubilee celebration. Your achievements stand as an example of how seeds sown in this school continue to bear fruits. Thank you for your encouraging presence and for motivating our students to dream big and strive excellence. We are delighted and deeply grateful to our beloved ex-headmistresses, Reverend Sister Tracy Fernandez, Reverend Sister Maria Arana, Reverend Sister Teresa Ferrao, Reverend Sister Jacinta D'Souza, Reverend Sister Elsie D'Souza, and Reverend Sister Helen Dicuna. To have you specially come here to be a part of this milestone celebration. Dear sisters, your dedicated service, sacrifice, and hardships have led in the foundation of this school, on which this institution stands tall. Thank you, dear sisters. A warm and respectful gratitude to Reverend Father Francisco Pereira, SFX, Reverend Father Mervyn D'Souza, SJ, Reverend Father Jonas D'Souza, Goa Diocese, Reverend Father Johaman Fernandez, MSFS. Our dear ex-student priest who once sat in these very classrooms. Your presence today is truly a blessing and a proud moment for all of us and to St. Anne's Blooming Buds. A sincere and special word of thanks to our manager, Reverend Sister Anita D'Souza, for your constant encouragement, leadership, and commitment. Your vision today continues to guide us and our school towards excellence and growth. I extend our heartfelt thanks to all our fathers, sisters, ex-teachers, ex-students who have joined us today. Your presence rekindles memories and reminds us of our rich legacy for the past 50 years that we carry. A big thank you to our dear parents and our PTA members for your kind cooperation, your encouragement, involvement, constant help and support throughout. Our sincere thanks and appreciation goes to our benefactors and well-wishers whose generous support has helped our school to grow in countless ways. My sincere thanks to these parents who have sponsored chairs for us, Mrs. Serlian D'Souza, 50 chairs, Mrs. Suraj Palari, 10 chairs, Mrs. Tejan Haldankar, Mr. Melvin Fernandez, Mrs. Suchita Shetye, Sudhanshu Haldankar, Vishal Gankar. Thank you very much, dear parents. Our sincere and special thanks to Mr. Dinesh Patte, Mrs. Merlin D'Souza, Mr. and Mrs. Uskaikar, Mrs. Aida D'Souza, Mrs. Ujwala Kalangutkar, Mr. Pratap Pednekar, Mr. Jason D'Souza, Mrs. Maria Fernandez, Sanjay Salgaonkar, Bernard Fernandez, Neri Pereira, for your dedication and hard work. These days you were with us, helping us around. I also thank the electricity department, Mr. Digvesh Haldankar, the photographer, Mr. Nazareth D'Souza, Sarvesh Amre. Thank you very much. I also thank all our dedicated staff and other staff, past and present, who are strong pillars of this institution. Your love and commitment and tireless work continues to shape generations of children with care and excellence. And to our beloved students, the heart of blooming buds, your vibrant performances and joyful presence has made this celebration truly special and memorable. Finally, I thank each one of you gathered here. Thank you for being a part of this Golden Jubilee celebration. May God continue to bless our school with many more years of growth and success. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, Teacher Lutz. Dear guests and parents, as the golden sun completes 50 rings of light around our school, we come together to witness an evening sparkling with talents, memories, and mesmerizing performance prepared specially for you. Let us begin this cultural program with the same enthusiasm and pride that has carried our institution forward for 5 decades. Now, let the curtain rise and the book of golden story open. Mobile phones now become an important part of our daily life. While they offer many benefits, it is important to use them wisely and in balance. This thoughtful message will now be presented in a creative and graceful manner by our young performers. Please join us in welcoming our babies as they present a beautifully choreographed dance by our pre-primary teachers, Teacher Lisa, Pacado, Teacher Ida Ferrao and Teacher Mila Greenwhite was highlighting the theme of responsible mobile use. Let us encourage them with a warm round of applause.
उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
स्क्रॉल करते करते सारी रात वक्त गवा दिया, रील्स ने यूं बांध लिया हमें, दोस्तों से नाता तोड़ दिया। ऑनलाइन के इस भीड़ में जिंदगी का मजा गवा दिया, और सोशल मीडिया के चक्कर में अपने रिश्तों को भुला दिया।
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
Don't think about it, just move your body. Listen to the music, sing oh and oh. Just move those left feet, go ahead, get crazy. Anyone can do it, sing oh and oh. Show the world you got that fire. Feel the rhythm getting louder. Show the world what you can do, prove to them you got the moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, yeah. When you finally let go and you say that solo, 'cause you listen to the music, say oh, hey, oh, 'cause you're confident, babe, yeah, and you make your hips sway. We knew that you could do it, sing oh, hey, oh. Show the world you got that fire, fire, baby. Feel the rhythm getting louder. Show the room what you can do, prove to them you got the moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, आजकल मोबाइल के बिना जिंदगी जीने की कल्पना ही नहीं कर सकते। मोबाइल जीवन का महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा बन गया है। इस मोबाइल के चक्कर में छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ाई छोड़ते हुए हमने देखा है। बड़े लोग मोबाइल में इतना मशगूल हो जाते हैं कि अपने माता पिता, अपने छोटे बच्चों से बात करने का उन्हें समय ही नहीं मिलता। हम इस नृत्य से आप सबको बताना चाहते हैं कि बोया पेड़ बबुल का तो आम कहाँ से पाओगे, बोया पेड़ बबुल का तो आम कहाँ से पाओगे, चिपके रहोगे इस मोबाइल से तो रिश्ते कहाँ से निभाओगे। जिंदगी गुजरने लगी है अब तो किश्तों पर, ये कुछ ग्राम का मोबाइल भारी ना पड़ जाए रिश्तों पर, भारी ना पड़ जाए रिश्तों पर। थैंक यू।
Wow, it was such a mesmerizing performance by our babies. Wasn't it a meaningful message? Give them a big round of applause. Now, let's come back to reality. Let's come to the theatre of life. Actually, life itself is a drama, and we all are tasked performing our characters assigned to us by God. Now, it's time for our next performance, The Silent Sacrifices, a play. King Lear by William Shakespeare. Our entertainers of Standard Folk are here to enact the play by William Shakespeare. To show the importance of parental bond, directed by teacher Lindsay Fernandez.
Cause we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. It's to the one that keep the passion. Respect. Oh yeah.
Our mother is a nurturer, but behind every mother's gentle strength stands the unwavering support of a father. The tender wings are brought up by the toughness of sweat of every father. To make the child's life grow, the parents take the greatest risk of spending their entire energy of life. Their love for their kids gives them the strength to do so. But how far the children are ready to repay? Let's watch the happy ending of King Lear's story. A long time ago, there lived a king named Lear. He had 3 daughters, namely Goan, Regan, and Cordelia. King Lear loved Cordelia, the youngest daughter the most. As time passed by and King Lear grew old, he decided not to rule the kingdom anymore and divided his kingdom among his 3 daughters and wanted to spend the rest of his life peacefully with his 3 daughters. Act 1. In the hall of King Lear's castle entered Goan, Regan, Cordelia, Albany, and Edmund. Long live the king! Long live the king! Your Majesty, the King of France is waiting outside.
Call him. Let him join.
Your Majesty,
My devoted people, I am not young enough to rule my kingdom anymore. I have separated my kingdom into 3 parts, and I will give the best of my kingdom to the daughter who loves me the most.
Gondrel, you are the eldest. Speak first. So, I love you as much as I love my life, my health, my beauty, and my honor. I cannot put into words how much I love you. You are more than anything else in this world to me. You are more than my better half and my children. Oh, great! I'll give you the major part of my kingdom. Your husband, Albany, and your children. How about you, my dearest Regan? My lord, I love you as much as my sister, but she has not said enough. Nothing pleases me except my love for you. My only happiness comes from my love for you. Great! You can get a third of my kingdom. And now, shall I give you the richest part of my kingdom? Shall I give you more than I give your sisters? Cordelia, speak. Speak, my dear princess. I can say nothing, my lord. Nothing? Nothing. Nothing will bring you nothing. I have raised you all, spending my whole life with love and care. Now your father is in need of relaxation, but I can't for the rest of my life. Speak again. I am waiting for your answer. I cannot put my feeling into words. You gave me life, love me, so of course I love you. But I'm not the same as my sisters. When I marry, to give my half of my love to my husband. But never hesitate, my love for you, my lord. I'm saying the truth, my lord. Truth? Right. From now on, I will not be your father anymore. How dare you say that to me? I don't want to see your face anymore. What a shock! How come you treat your favorite daughter in this way? It is a fact that a girl after marriage would share a love to her husband. How do you mistake your favorite daughter? Because I do not have a tongue like my sisters, but I'm glad with it. Go away! You have not pleased me. Why were you ever born? Don't you understand what I said? Go away from here. You may come with me, my dearest. I will affix your loneliness and sadness. I understand your true feelings and heart. And I'll be lucky to have such a woman as my queen. I know what you are doing. Take care of our father. You don't have to remind our duty. You no more belong to this kingdom. You don't even deserve to stand here for a moment. Get away from this place. You look clever and you hide your faults. In time, people will see the truth. For you two, I will stay with each one of you for 1 month. So, I suppose you will stay with me first, right? Sure. King Lear then divided all his properties and kingdom among his 2 daughters, Goneril and Regan. Whereas Cordelia was left with the king of France with nothing. King Lear then lived with each of his 2 daughters for alternative months. King Lear soon realized the fake love of them. Act 2. Goneril's house. Goneril, looking over the knights, shouts at Lear.
The wind and the rain must they
Listen, sir, your nights are always swirling. My house in disorder. I won't accept that. Do you really mean it? Such a silly question. Be sensible. You're old. You should be wise. Why do you need to keep 100 nights? I beg you, send them away, please. Darkness and devil. I made a mistake when I trusted you. You will be severely punished soon. It's with you I am punished. Get lost, you old headache. My lord, I pardon you for my wife's rudeness. I could only help you to stay with your second daughter. So kind of you, Mr. Albany. Let's go. Act 3. Edmund and Regan in the house. Why is this old man coming here? Oh, sir, so happy to see you. Welcome to my house. Thank you, my dear daughter. Of course, I'm happy to. Your sister has been so unkind to me. I was no more pleased to stay with her. Well, I will ask her to forgive you, Lord. You are old now. I think you should do what sister says. Sister knows better than me what you need and what not. Oh, please, understand. I won't return to Gondrel's house. No, my lord. I think you must go to sister's house. No, my dear. I don't want to go to Gondrel's house anymore. You have to. As per the agreement, you are supposed to be with Gondrel for 1 month. Don't you remember? Well, I will not trouble you much. Let me be with my knights in the provided place without disturbing you. I will never accept. You better send back all your followers. I can ask one of my servants to look after you. He's not anymore. Why should he need all the knights? Exactly. Why should he need all the followers? No. Please, don't make a floor dirty by whipping and wasting our time. Do you think you will make me whip? No, I will not. A king will never do that. Goodbye, my daughter. Take care. It seems to be raining outside. Why did you send him? Have some courtesy, Regan. He is your father. If you are worried too much, then you take care of him. We don't have to care. Act 2. Mr. Albany meeting the king. My lord, I'm worried. You look helpless, Lord. If you don't mind, I could suggest you the best place for you to live peacefully. It's your last day. It's your dearest daughter Cordelia's house. I'm sure she will accept you happily. I don't have face to stand before her. Albany, I've made sin against her. Never think Cordelia is same like a sister. Sorry, Lord. Without your permission, I Welcome, my lord. My house is blessed to have your presence. Thank you, Mr. Albany, for bringing my father safe. I'm grateful to you. He's such a nice man. I was very much anxious about my father since I heard the news that my sisters made him mad. Could serve you the best in this house to make you feel better. My sisters have done great harm to you. Never care those.
No, I do not deserve to be alive. Please forgive me for what I have done to my princess, who loved me the most and was true to me. I know you will hate me.
No, my lord. How can I hate you? You are one and only ruler of this kingdom, and you will remain the same forever, my lord. We will support you to rule this kingdom again.
What a pretty young lady. Who are you? Are you an angel from heaven?
No, my lord. I'm your daughter, and this is your own kingdom. And I'll always remain your favorite lovable daughter forever, my lord. Be joyful. You are with your dearest daughter.
What I have to give you, dear, for your kindness and goodness? I've lost everything.
You have given me life. You have given me everything. I'm fortunate to born for your noble soul. What else do I need except your love for me?
I'm proud of you, my dear daughter. I'm happy for you.
If everything done by the parents requires the four-letter word love for them, then it is the almost miracle on this earth. Dear kids, have some space in your life for them. For they never think of leaving you alone when you were very young. Let the lovely Cordelia be your inspiration. Thank you. Thank you, friends, for the valuable message you have given through this beautiful performance. Every school has a story, but ours is a saga woven dreams, dedication, and 50 golden years of growth. Today, we invite you to travel not by time machine, but by music, motion, and magic.
जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले
From the humble footsteps of our founders to the confident strides of today's young learners, our school's journey has been symphony, sometimes gentle, sometimes bold, but always moving forward. And now, let this light become our milestones and let our children become the storytellers of the 50 unforgettable years. Presenting the echoes of 50 years, choreographed by teacher Alisha Norona, where every beat holds a memory, every rhythmic holds a chapter and every dance celebrates the legacy. We proudly call our school. Let the journey unfold.
50 years ago, a small dream took shape. A dream to educate, uplift, and inspire young minds. Today, that dream stands tall as our beloved school celebrates its golden jubilee. The story began in the 1970s when classrooms were small, hearts were big, and dreams were bright. Those were the golden days when learning was simple, but the joy was endless. The 1980s brought a new energy, life full of hope, pride, and love for our country. Our school taught us to love, to serve, and to stand together as one India.
लोगों को समझ सको तो हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जबर से पानी कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी
As the school grew, so did the dreams. Assemblies, drills, sports days, and new opportunities taught sportsmanship and leadership qualities. innovative learning filled every classroom. Modern and strong. Smart learning, creativity, innovative ideas, and values at the heart of everything. Children today are energetic and ready to bring positive change to society. Of dedication, 50 years of shaping lives, 50 years of excellence. As we celebrate this golden jubilee, we appreciate, acknowledge and salute each and everyone who has been a part of this family. Today, through this medley, we dance not just to music, but to the heartbeat of our school. A heartbeat that has pulsed with hope, faith, and purpose for 5 beautiful decades. From the first chalk line on a blackboard to the confident smiles of children today, every moment has been a blessing, and every year a chapter of grace. As this golden journey continues, may our school keep shining brighter. May our children keep soaring higher. May the light of St. Anne's blooming buds glow for generations to come. And may the golden story continue to bloom forever. Thank you.
Attention parents, there are some vehicles parked in front of the gate. It is obstructing another vehicle which needs to come inside the compound. Those vehicles which are obstructing the gate, which are parked outside the gate, please kindly remove your vehicle. We need a vehicle to come inside. Thank you.
What a beautiful journey you brought to life. Excellent performance by Standard First. Please give them a big round of applause. Body percussion is the act of creating rhythmic sounds by striking, clapping, snapping, or patting one's own body. Essentially, using the human body as a musical instrument. The benefits of this act are to enhance cognitive and motor skills, a beautiful way to exercise for us. So let us watch this act followed by another. That's a ballet dance. The dancing knee. Hope. These tiny cute performers of Standard Second will entertain you, all with their beautiful dance moves, trained by teacher Rosa Pereira. Sit back and enjoy.
Same. Oh.
Absolutely adorable, brilliant. The best thing about this act was the faces on the kneecaps. Give them a round of applause. गो
होय होय कोण इतला बोवाळ करता काय
चल पळूनच येऊया.
होय चल चल या
तिच्या मागे
Hello. Rồi. Đi ra mày.
येऊ काय तर आता तुमच्या मुखात इयत्ता तिसरी आणि चौथीची मानकुली मुलगी घेऊन येता एक धाकटुले नारकुले ज्याचे नाव जाऊन असा पोरगी सुधारची ना बोरोपी आणि बसोपी तिचे राधिका बाणी दृश्य एकान भाग घेवपी कलाकार तिचे लाविना सौम्या साळकर वर्गान भुरगी आयुष श्रेयश नाईक मीरा स्वरा पेडणेकर राज अमन कुमार लकी निधी बिन समीरा मलिक आणि सावी गावकर. लकी. टीचर हा सांगू. येस श्योर राज. श्री रामजी. टीचर 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 मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम रामचंद्र. व्हेरी गुड राज आणि सावी. आमच्या भारतान कितें घडला आणि घडटा ते सगळ्यांक खबर आसपाकूच जाय. आणि हा आयुष तुझे नाव सिंगिंग कॉम्पिटिशनाक घातला. सॉंग बीन पाठ केला मरे. हय सर म्हणून दाखव. आयुष आयुष गुड आयुष तुका सिंगिंग कॉम्पिटिशनाक चांगला डान्स कॉम्पिटिशनाक न्हू. आता हांव तुमकां काय लायफची इम्पॉर्टन्स सांगता. कितें शिकोवपाचें आसलें तें थंयच उरलें.
आता 2 मिनिटांत आम्ही दुसऱ्या भागाक सुरुवात करतो. तर हातूंतले आमचे कलाकार जावन आसा टी सेलो श्री नासनोडकर, ओल्ड मॅन अद्वैत गोयेंकर, आयुष रियान मडगावकर, मीरा वेदिका कानोलकर, लकी शौर्य कानोलकर, राज रियांश आरोलकर आणि तिचे लाविना अंसिका सलगावकर. आणि वेळ घालय नसताना आता आम्ही पळोवया की 15 वर्सां उपरांत ती भुरगीं खंय पावल्यात.
टेंशन दूर करो. ओ भैया
हो भैया.
ओ भैया, एक कप चाय दी.
हाँ अभी देता हूँ.
शी, या मोत्याचे लेसी परत परत सुटतात.
शी, खंयचो उंदीर पाया पोना गेलो काय? अरे तुका कोण चलपाक कळना रे? अरे आयुष तू कसा आसास?
आवाजावर सुतार मीरा कशा दिसता?
अरे हा मिराज.
अगो, तू एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल आणि डबल एक्सेल केन्ना आले?
आले खंयचे आले?
अगो झाले गो झाले.
आणि तू ऑपोजिट मात तसं आसा.
होय गो, मग तुझे गेले इतले तिरकिनशे असले.
अरे किती सांगू तुका, कामाचे कितले इंटरव्ह्यू दिले अजून खातं खुलना रे म्हजो. आता खरेंच दिसता. तेन्ना टीचर कितें सांगताली ते आयकपाचे तर आयज अशी हाल जावचे नसले.
होय गो.
तुही तर मजाच आसतली. तुम्ही पॉश मरे, लेडीचे फुकट ऑफिस आसा.
ऑफिसात वगैरे पूण तातूंतले काय येयना. फायल्स फोन तर तकली सामकी मॅड जाल्या. अशें दिसता की लेटरां चाळोवन दाखयता. एक काम सोंपना की दुसरे माथ्यार येता. दुसरे सोंपना की तिसरे. शी, तकली सामकी पाड जाल्या. आतां खरेंच दिसता. तेन्ना टिचर कितें सांगताली ते आयकपाचें जाल्यार आयचे दीस पळोवचे पडचे नासले. ओ भैया, एक कप चाय दी.
हाँ अभी देता हूँ. ओय हॅपी गो लकी.
अरे आयुष मीरा, कशे आसात गो तुम्ही?
आसा गो. तू कशी आसा?
कितें सांगू, कामाचे सामके टेन्शन जाला, खंयच मेळना.
होय गो, सेम हांगर बी.
हॅलो राज, हाव आर यू?
आय एम ऑल गुड. हाऊ आर यू टीचर?
वाव, आज तर राज आणि टीचर आविनाच.
होय. हो वाव, व्हॉट अ कोइन्सिडन्स. हाऊ आर यू ऑल गाइस?
गुड.
टीचर तुम्ही कशी आसात?
ऑल फाईन. राज, आता तू किती करता रे?
आज सीए झालं.
वाव, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स राज. टीचर सॉरी, आम्ही तुमच्या ऐकन असल्यामुळे आयज हे दीस पळोवचे पडटा.
आता झाले ते सोदात. अजूनही दीस असा. आयज पासून एक नवीन सुरुवात करा.
होय टीचर. आम्ही चूक केली ती तुम्ही करची नाही. वडिलांचे ऐकचे गीताचे सोने करचे.
देव बरे करू.
संदेश मेळटा की स्थिती ही दर एकल्याच्या जिवितात एक शिक्षक जावन आसा आणि तेच बरोबर योग्य वेळार योग्य मार्गदर्शन मेळ्यार जीण फुलता. भुरगीं चडसो वेळ तर आपल्या आवय बापाय आणि शिक्षका सांगता असता आणि त्यांच्या योग्य मार्गदर्शन खालाच जिविताचे भांगर जावंक शकता. तर योग्य मार्गदर्शन दियात आणि जिविताचे भांगार करात. देव बरे करू टीचर राधिका वाणी या देखी भरीत नाटकुल्या खातीर.
थोडे आगे
Now we come together to celebrate the beauty, rhythm, and soul of our beloved Goa, a land where the sounds of waves blend with the music of tradition and where culture beats in every heart. Dance in Goa is not just entertainment, it is storytelling. It reflects our beauty, our history, and our values, and the spirit of unity that binds our people.
आणि गोयचे सौंदर्य, गोयची संस्कृती आणि गोयचे नृत्य ही जावन आसा गोयची खरी गिरेस्तकार. देखणीच्या नाजूक पावलातून भक्ती आणि सौंदर्य दिसता. कुणबी आमच्या आदिवासी मुळाची ताकद आणि ऊर्जा दाखयता.
These dances reminds us of who we are, a community rich in culture, proud of its heritage, and always ready to celebrate life with music, color, and togetherness.
तर आनंदात बसून या खिणात रमून गोयची सोबीत परंपरा आणि नृत्य संस्कृती अनुभवूया.
So now let us welcome the students of Standard 3rd, led by teacher Lourdes Fernandez with a dance performance.
आम्ही शेतकरी गाव, आम्ही गाव, आम्ही कोकणी उलयता आनी गोंया आमचो गांव. आम्ही शेतकरी गाव, आम्ही नुस्तें गरोयता, आमी कोंकणी उलयता आनी गोंया आमचो गांव. कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास, तीच गोंया राजभास. 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 आमी देवळानो वेतांव, आमी इगर्जेन वेतांव, आनी एकामेकाक मेळून आमी कोंकणी उलयतांव. हे देवळानो वेतांव, आमी इगर्जेन वेतांव, आनी एकामेकाक मेळून आमी कोंकणी उलयतांव. हे कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास, तीच गोंया राजभास. 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 आमी मुस्क वाजयतांव, आमी कांतारां म्हणटांव, आमी फुगडी गाजयतांव, तेन्ना नाचता सगळो गांव. आमी मुस्क वाजयतांव, आमी कांतारां म्हणटांव, आमी फुगडी गाजयतांव, तेन्ना नाचता सगळो गांव. कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास, तीच गोंया राजभास. 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 आमी शेतान वावरतांव, आमी पाड्याक चलयतांव, आख्खो दीस काम करून ताजे पेडीचो मारतांव. हे शेतान वावरतांव, आमी पाड्याक चलयतांव, आख्खो दीस काम करून ताजे पेडीचो मारतांव. कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास, तीच गोंया राजभास. 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 इंग्लीश समजतांव, मराठी शिंगतांव, पूण घरा कोडे वचून आमी कोंकणी उलयतांव. हे पुर्तुगेज मागतांव, मराठी शिंगतांव, पूण घरा कोडे वचून आमी कोंकणीच उलयतांव. कोंकणी
दर्याच्या वेगे भोवताल भोवऱ्यो राजालो कूड
Students for their mesmerizing dance performance. Give them a big round of applause. Today we take you on a tiny trip to meet a big hero of nature, the coconut tree. Plant one coconut and magic begins. It gives us water to drink, food to eat, oil to cook, leaves to weave, and shells to create. Truly, it's nature's own tree of life. Our little performers are ready to show how this single tree becomes a home, a kitchen, a craft shop, and so much more.
आवय माडाविषयी आमकां खूब कितें आयकूंक आनी पळोवंक मेळटा तर चला तर आनी वेळ काडिनासतना आमी पळोवया.
Wait. माझे एकूच उरला वाचपाचें. So sit back and enjoy. Plant a coconut, see the uses. A small act with a big message. Whatever you plant gives back 100 times more.
जाले चल आता.
Wow! What a wonderful performance! Please give them a big round of applause. What an electrifying celebration this has been tonight. We did not just look back at 50 golden years. We felt them in every cheer, every smile, and every heartbeat in this campus. Thank you to our guests, teachers, parents, students, and each one of you for adding energy, color, and magic to this unforgettable evening. As we close this grand golden jubilee, let's carry the spark forward into our dreams, our classrooms, and next 50 years waiting with open arms. Till then, stay inspired, stay joyful, stay golden. As the curtain falls, here are your compares. I Purva Rajesh Asolkar, I Alek Uskalkar, I Manasvi Gadekar, and I Sofia Fernandez. Closing the book of our golden story tonight, until we meet again, good night and keep this celebration alive. I request everyone to kindly rise for the school song.
Bless the happy this blessing time. To her will ever grateful be. Railing round our patron here we stand. We'll cherish a fond memory. Fearless and brave, we march along, banishing every care away. With hearts to light, we sing a song. To happy school, we love always.
Thank you.